Amenah Flaminiano Pangandaman, born December 25, 1977, is a Filipino economist who is currently serving as the 13th Secretary of Budget and Management since 2022 under the administration of President Bongbong Marcos. She is the first Muslim woman budget secretary and remains the sole female member of President Marcos's economic team. Born on December 25, 1977, Pangandaman is the only child of all men and Nancy Pangandaman to former government workers. She earned her bachelor's degree in economics from Far Eastern University. She also has a master's degree in development economics from the University of the Philippines, Diliman. Currently, she is pursuing an executive master of public administration from the London School of Economics. Pangandaman started her career as a researcher at the Senate of the Philippines. She climbed up the ranks until eventually becoming Chief of Staff to former Senate President Edgardo Angara in 2007. She also worked with former Senate Finance Committee Chairperson Lauren Legarda. Pangandaman had served as a budget official during Benjamin Diokno's time as budget secretary, becoming assistant secretary from 2016 to 2018 and under secretary from 2018 to 2019. During that stint, she was the group head of the office of the secretary and was a key mover in the preparation, implementation, and monitoring of the General Appropriations Act, or the national budget. She joined the Bangko Sentral NG Pilipinas (BSP) in 2019 as a technical advisor and later became managing director of the Office of the Governor and Executive Offices. In 2021, she became an assistant governor. She was appointed DBM secretary by President Bongbong Marcos in July 2022. Meanwhile, her appointment was confirmed by the Commission on Appointments on September 28, 2022. Hailing from Lanao del Sur, she is a Muslim and a Maranao princess. Her father, all men, is from Marawi, while her mother is from Tarlac City. Her royal lineage is traced to her grandparents' membership in royal houses of the Maranao in Marawi. She is unmarried. Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman has belied former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Elizalde Co's accusations that she and President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. pushed her to insert P100 billion worth of projects in the 2025 national budget. In a press conference in Malacagang, Pangandaman said they could have made all the insertions under the National Expenditure Program (NEP) before submitting it to Congress. All appropriations ordered by the President is already in the National Expenditure Program (NEP). That is why it is called the President's Budget, so we reject any insinuations about it, Pangandaman said. The BICAM is purely under the power of the legislature. We respect and strictly follow the budget process, and all our actions are above board, she added. more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.